Okay, so now I'm going to do what they call a rough edit. I'm just going to assemble this into a rough timeline and have an idea of how the scene plays out. So here I'm just in the cut tab and I'm just dragging from up here down to here. So go back to there, and because all my shots are labeled, I can just drag and drop them in. So this, I've now trailed off the end of the thing, and there I can get to there. I have my one timeline. Hopefully this will then drop into the end of that and tack on there. I actually want to move this up here. Can I move? No, I can't move it up here. I will add another add track there. It's just what I like to do is be able to have the scenes top and bottom alternating up and down so that I can control the scope of the transitions and not have them butt up against one another. So normally, yeah, so I'll keep doing this. The annoying thing is now coming to light about this side, but hey, that's cool. I'll talk about that in just a second. And then just drop that in there, one would assume. Nope, it's now being annoying. Anyhow, undo, undo. I'm going to go over to the edit tab because I find this side easier over here. So I have my complete list. I'm just going to change it to list view. I've already done 1 and 2, so I'm just going to tack on 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. And you can see the actual assembly is really trivially easy. I can't remember which one I wanted from that one, so let's just whack on the wide shot for now, and then we'll do the close up. Drag and drop, not click and do something weird. Now for this one, I remember from last time I did this, it was actually just the medium shot that worked. And so here is our complete sequence. Is it perfect? Oh, not even by a long shot, but it gives us the basic flow of the story, and we can go, yeah, okay, we like that bit, we don't like that bit. So here I'm talking about 1.8. You know, do I go with a wide shot or a medium shot there when they knock on the door? So if I go up to here, so just it's auto snapping. So let's zoom a little bit and see how that plays out. So pull back a little bit and hit play.
Joke, take it or leave it.
That pause is too long. Yeah, I'm not enamored with that one. Let's go and have a look at the medium shot now. The medium shot is in fact longer. Great. So I am just going to zoom out, use a box window to drag everything out a little bit so it lines up with that one, and I'll just delete that for the time being. No, not that one. I hit the delete key in that case, but in this case I need to go that and go Control X to cut it out, and that is a cut versus a ripple cut, and a ripple cut will ripple everything back from the far end to here. So if I undo it again, you can right click and there you have cut, Control X, ripple cut, Control Shift X. Delete also does the same thing. So I do that, you can see what's just happened. So anyhow, Control X. All right, so let's see how this plays out this time.
Joke, take it or leave it.
That draws out a little too much.
Who else knows we're here?
And of course the focus on scene 1.9 is a little bit off there, but this is what I'm here to fix. So as we can see, and I'm just going to shuffle these things around a bit, 1.8, that's the shot I like. However, it does hang on for too long. So what I need to do is then cut it down. So zooming in, and I can do this right here. Oops, I'll just go out one step or two. So if I hit play, that little piece of doubt that the actress who's playing Claire shows, I think is a nice piece to draw it to. So I'm just going to get the double-handed thing and go like that. But that leaves this gap in here. So I'm just going to undo this and I'll show you another trick. See that it's got the single bracket with the thing. If I draw it back to here, oh, it was meant to draw it up. Anyhow, well, I'll do it the hard way. There. Like it's actually so hard. Anyhow, the end of this piece.
Who else knows we're here?
Okay, so there's a little bit of focus that the camera operator is obviously shifting focus at that point to catch what's going on. And so we need to look at this probably in a slightly
Who else?
that. So we want to pull a couple of frames back from that. Probably to there. All right. We'll see how that looks.
Who else knows we're here?
I probably need one more frame, so we'll zoom right in on this case and go to that part of the sequence. And I need to do it there. So I just need to pull this in one frame. So I'm going to move that out of the way. Come on, there. That's now. I'm trying to catch the audio, but without the blur. So maybe another frame. And this is, comes down to what might make this a shot that you go, oh yeah, well, I can't actually use that. And then running through
No
here.
one.
Oh, audio
No
carried
one.
twice. So we have additional audio, and this is where the audio track comes in useful. You can see it kicking in there. So if I grab this thing and slide it down a bit and slide this top bar up, you can see just here,
No one.
that's where the audio kicks in for Claire. So I can go, we'll just cut that out. So instantly you can see the benefit of actually looking at the audio track and also looking at the video track to work out what's in focus, what do you want to keep, what do you want to work with, and how you want. So now I have a basic rough edit. It needs probably a little bit more refinement, but that's the focus of the fine edit. So this is the sequence as I've cut so far. We can see the whole thing play again. Come on. My poor little computer's having problems coping. So yeah, you can see how this is structured, and this is the important aspect of this. So that's the rough edit, a basic cut together done, an assembly cut. And next time we'll move on to a fine cut.